Hey, what's up? It's Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Spotlight by Lil Peep and Marshmello on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Okay, for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with no capo. You're just going to be using the B and the E strings. To play the song, you'll put your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the E string, your middle finger on the 7th fret of the E string, and your ring finger on the 8th fret of the B string. Okay, and you're just gonna go between the E and the B string back and forth. And then you're gonna drop your middle finger, put your middle finger back on, just like that. And the pattern will just sound like this. So you just play the strings E, B, and then drop your middle finger, E, B, put your middle finger back on, E, B, B, E, B.